Hi, my name is Pam and I'm from the Birch Cottage blog. In this video tutorial, I would like to show you how to combine two Cricut Design Space project files. Actually, you can use this same technique whether you want to combine two project files or multiple project files in Cricut Design Space. And what got me thinking about this was the release of the new Cricut Mug Press. Cricut has designed these project files, or I like to refer to them as templates, that show you exactly how to size and where to place images for creating your own designs using the new Cricut Mug Press and the Cricut Mug Blanks. So let's take a look at how to combine projects in Cricut Design Space. The first thing that you'll want to do is to go ahead and open up Cricut Design Space if you haven't done so already. Now you do have to be a member of Cricut Access or subscribe to Cricut Access to be able to use the Mug Design Setup project files. You can subscribe to Cricut Access either by visiting the Cricut website at www.cricut.com or through the Cricut Design Space program. From Cricut Design Space, you'll want to click on the three horizontal lines that are the menu bar and then scroll down to Cricut Access and then just follow the links to subscribe. Okay, so once you have Cricut Design Space open, you're just going to scroll down to where you see the Cricut Mug Design Setup. And then I'm going to select the size and shape of the template that I want to use and click on Customize. And now we want to open a second window. So click on File, New Window, and then Cricut Design Space should open up in a new window. It may take it a couple of minutes to load. And then you want to find the project file that you want to use. In this case, P for Pam. This is a soiree font project that I made and attached a bunch of images to it. So I'll select all those layers, select Copy. You can right click and select Copy or Edit Copy, and then go back to your original window where you have the Mug Design Setup project and paste the image into there. Now you see I haven't welded this image yet, so that's one of the first things I need to do. I want to weld all those design elements to my letter P. There we go. So click on Weld. I can resize it, place it, use those mug grid lines to line my image up exactly where I want it. Duplicate that image so I have one on the front and one on the back of the mug. And then select both of those designs, align them up, make sure they're lined up the top or the bottom. And then I'm going to select the teal colored template and center vertically. Then I'm going to hide those grid lines for lining up my image. And then I'm going to select all these layers, attach, and now I'm ready to make my design. There it's loaded on my mat. I want to be sure to mirror this image, and I am ready to cut it. But what if you want to have a solid background on your mug? Well, that's easy to do too. So what we'll do is we'll select the design, in this case the two letters P's. I'm going to weld them together. And then I'm going to select the letters, my design, the two letter P's that I welded together, and the teal colored mat, and I'm going to slice the design. And you'll see here that I'm taking away those elements that I don't want to use. I'll line this teal colored background back up, so make sure it's centered, and select all those layers and tell it to attach, and then click on Make It. And again, I want to mirror this image, and this is exactly how Cricut will cut out my design. If you like this video tutorial, be sure to like it below and subscribe to my YouTube channel.